Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change Wix dashboard account language in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are going to change account language. On left side you see settings, so click on it. So now we are in general setting and then you see multiple option and then you see language and region, so click on it. Now you see default language is English and then scroll down. You see account language. The account language affect your dashboard editor communication you get from Wix. Account language, now select. So you can select any other language. Now select and then click on save. Updating your account language. Now uploading again. Now you see language is changed. Now German. Now you see all account language is changed to German. Dutch language. So you can select language according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.